a black passenger car. We're coming into West Memphis on Broadway. We're fixing to pass Walker. It's a Tennessee tag. She's going head on into traffic. She's trying to cut through the parking lot. Of course, it's a Lincoln. She's trying to get off the Walker. I think she may be trying to get to the apartments. Alright, they're wrecked out. Here on Walker. Show me your hands! Show me your hands! I will shoot you! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! I will fucking shoot you! You better put your hands up! Put them up! Both hands! Forrest City, get me another unit. He crashed out here on Walker. He's behind a fence. I'm not going to approach him until I get somebody else here. You better not move! You better not move! We're just off of Walker, just off of Broadway on Walker. Forrest City, it's Boy Sam Queen 1950. Boy Sam Queen 1950. It's a black Lincoln MKZ. Forrest City, I'm just holding him at gunpoint right now. Don't move!
I'm turning around in Memphis. He's the one at gunpoint. Hill 26 on service road 18.
Alright, hey, I'm gonna come around to you.
Okay. 20.
Forrest City, I got a West Memphis unit out with me. We're gonna wait on another unit to get here before we go approach the car. The driver's got his hands up, but he's not getting out. Hey, I'm gonna come around to you, alright?
Come on.
Alright, we're gonna hold till we get another unit.
I
think it's another body on that side over there.
Is it?
I can see it a little bit.
Yeah.
There's a shadow in there.
I couldn't see. I seen one, but I couldn't see the other.
He's moving around.
You better hold your hands up! Keep going! Keep going!
See, it is somebody over there. Stop moving! Stop moving!
Hey, watch crossfire.
I got you. Right here. So look, we can't get him on the passenger.
Yeah, we'll have to go to the passenger side.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all go around that way, cover the driver's side. We're going to go to the passenger side and pull him out the passenger side.
Over here. Right here.
Come here.
I'll go.
All right.
Ready?
Moving.
Move up.
We're moving.
Come on. Right here.
All right, hold.
Open it again.
Hold. Hey, watch your crossfire. Hey, we're going to have to go. We're in a bad spot.
Hey, I'm watching that mirror right there. Keep moving.
Driver, climb out the passenger side.
Driver.
Hey, bring your dog over here. Bring your dog over here. Come out the passenger side.
Now. Climb out the passenger side now. Do it slowly. Climb out the passenger side now. Do it slowly.
I'm coming on y'all's right side.
Both hands up.
Both
Now
hands
climb
up.
out the car. Put the cigarette down and climb out of the car.
I ain't got no weapon, man.
Climb out of the car.
Come on now.
Hey.
Hey, we gonna let this dog go. We gonna let this dog go.
You need to get tased. Get out of the car.
I ain't no bad guy, bro.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car and go face down. Go face down. You're getting that tased.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Down.
I ain't got no warrants, no gun or nothing, bro. I ain't got nothing, bro. I just tripped, bro. I'm sorry, I apologize. I ain't got no warrants.
Face that way. Face that way.
I ain't got no warrants, no gun or nothing, bro.
Put the cigarette down, man. What the hell's wrong with you?
I apologize, man.
Sound like a freaking idiot about killed them people head on.
I apologize.
Let the damn.
I apologize, man. Hey, stop. Stay right there.
Forrest City, we're 1015.
Check for clear the net.
10-4, clear the net. Start me at 10-11, please.
Yeah, wait a job.
I ain't got no warrant, no gun, no warrant. What's turn around? Turn around.
Yeah.
I was just speeding the scene. They got them motherfucking stupid up. He got behind. I don't know when they go to school. Man, hit his ass. That's all, man. Man,
228-261, can you tell 600 that Loomis is waiting on the Sallyport junction?
I wanted him to bite him, but I didn't. He had his hands up, so we did right. Thanks, guys.
sir. Every time. You know something.
Where the hell my hat's at?
Is there any C4 some fentanyl out there? We need to know. I don't want to overdose.
Bro, what's the white red to do in the full? What's the white red to do in the full? It's cocaine, bro. I don't do fentanyl. Yeah, I told you cocaine. It's sitting right there.
I'm on Steve and whatever.
Okay. Ain't nothing that gonna stick, no needles, no none of this shit.
Yes, sir.
We almost had an impalement.
Yeah. Cocaine, he poured the cocaine out right there between the cracks. You see the pour right there? He poured it out right there, so all the regulars right there. I mean, up under the, what's it called?
Yeah.
Here you go. Anybody got some water?
I can go a little. Yeah.
Hey, anybody got some water? Got cocaine on my hand. Anybody got water? Like the rest of my hand?
Might have some in the back of my car.
Look at my trunk. I got to look at my trunk.
Go get my girl to drop the car so she can take me back to work. I'm supposed to be driving no way. What's up from the back up the
Oh shit.
Hey, sorry.
Yeah.
Can you get above the visor and see if his ID's up there?
Arkansas 935 546 456 935 546 456. MKZ.
Suspended 1052, I'm sending it to your outlet.
You good, Steve?
Yeah.
Find the smoke we poured out.
It's man, a very small amount.
Minimal.
Yeah. And ain't enough there to try to even pick up.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna say he's impaired.
Oh, he said he's high.
Whose fence is this?
The mayor's.
The mayor's?
The mayor had it put up.
238, 238.